Hey everyone, back with another review. Dairy Queen's, this is the new Salty Caramel Truffle Blizzard. It really don't look like a blizzard no more. It just look like a glob of melted ice cream. I had it in the freezer so it wouldn't melt. I'm not even going to attempt to do the upside down, to face it upside down, because, well, everything is going to spill over. So, as you can see by the watermarks, it's been melting. I just got a big old glob. See? This is the new, this is their new Blizzard. And I forgot how much the cost was. This is a large, because I got a combo meal. I got the shrimp, the chicken strip basket, and with this Blizzard, and it came up to a total of like $8.56, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember, but I will try it for you guys. So here goes nothing. I can taste some toffee, a little bit of brownie, of course it got chocolate ice cream, or this might be vanilla with some chocolate sauce in it. I can actually taste the caramel in here. I can taste that, of course. It's pretty good. Even though it doesn't look like it doesn't look like a blizzard. It's like a melted goop, but it's a blizzard nonetheless. And it's still cold. It's pretty good, you know. If you haven't tried it, make a review. I don't know if this is a limited time or this is just a new thing, but I would like for you guys to try this. This is pretty good. Kind of got like an aftertaste to it, but it's pretty good. So, hey, this has been another review. Comment and subscribe. And if you do get this Blizzard, make a review. And you can let me see it. But other than that, I'll say this again. This has been another review. This is a good Blizzard. I recommend you get this. And until then, guys, peace and love.